I would love, I don't know, this is kind of a sales pitch. I would love for you guys to create a video or something about what you like about SAM so that we can do some advertising and start pushing it out. We've kind of been holding back from doing a lot of pushing. I mean, Cody's been doing great about putting out content and stuff in our different social media channels, but we're still under that 100 user phase, and ultimately by the end of the year we would like to get to 1,000. So to do that, we need your help. We need to be able to share with people your successes, the things that you like, and be able to pass that on to other people, because any CRM that you look at, there's always people that like it and dislike it.
And it wouldn't have to be anything fancy, 30-second, hey, I really like this. This has been really helpful. Like anything that you're willing to give us would be greatly appreciated and can help move that needle for us.
Absolutely.